Hi, I'm Pam from the Hooked on Sewing blog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'd like to show you how to add zipper tabs to your zipper. In the previous video, I showed you how to take a 22-inch zipper and shorten it to a 10-inch zipper. Well, once you have it shortened, there is a really clean, finished, kind of professional looking way that we can finish the ends of our zippers by putting on these zipper tabs that either coordinate or contrast with your project. So let's take a look how easy it is to finish off the top and bottom of your zipper with these easy zippers. So before we can sew our zipper tabs, we need to make sure that we have our zipper at the correct length. So whether we are shortening a zipper because our zipper is too long, or we're using a full-size zipper and we just want to add tabs to it. If you need to create new tabs at the bottom, you should go ahead and do that first. So here I want this zipper to be 12 inches long, so I'm marking my zipper at the bottom at the 12-inch mark, and I will create a new zipper stop for the bottom of my zipper on my sewing machine. So let's take it to our sewing machine. I'm going to set my zigzag stitch to a 6.0 millimeter width, and I will put the zipper under my presser foot and zigzag back and forth at the place where I had marked that I want my new zipper bottom stop to be. And then I will repeat the same thing for the top of the zipper. I'm going to sew a new zipper stop at the top just above where the existing zipper stop is, just to keep those ends together. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I will trim off those threads. So again, I'm going to trim off those threads from the top of my zipper and from the bottom where I just sewed the new bottom zipper stop. And once I have those threads trimmed off, I'm going to actually trim the end and the top of the zipper tape close to my new stops. So I've already trimmed the bottom. Now I'm going to trim the top. You can use a rotary cutter or your scissors and trim kind of close to that new zipper stop. Then I'm going to take my 1.5 inch by 2 inch pieces of fabric and I'm going to press them. I will fold them in half and give it a little press, wrong sides together, and just kind of fold it in half there and then give it a little press. I'll do the same thing with the other piece, fold it in half, give it a little press. And then I will open up the fold and fold the two raw edges towards the center fold. So again, open up that piece of fabric I just pressed, fold the long edge towards that center fold, and do the same thing for the other end. And then I will press those with my iron too. And then fold it back in half and give it a little press. Again, open up that 1.5 by 2 inch piece of fabric, fold the long edge towards the center fold, press it, and do the same thing with the other end. You can do them both at the same time as I did the first one, or do them separately, whatever's easier for you. And then just give it a once over to press it really nicely. All right, so once I have those nice and pressed, I'm ready to insert my zipper. So I'll take my zipper tab and I will center the zipper right along that center fold or the center crease. And then you can use pins or clips to hold that zipper tab in place until you're ready to sew it. I love to use these Wonder Clips because they're just so easy to use, and you don't have to worry about poking your fingers. They're just easy to put on, take off. I really use them over pins a lot of times. So then take the zipper tab for the bottom and insert the zipper. Make sure you center it and push it up against that center crease. And you also want to make sure that you don't have your zipper tab anywhere near where you will be stitching. So we're going to stitch close to that fold and attach the zipper tabs to the zipper. So I'm sorry I got my hands in the way in this, but I'm just putting that zipper tab and the zipper under my presser foot, and I'm stitching close to the edge, encasing the zipper and the front and the bottom of the zipper tabs. And then repeat that for the other end of the zipper. And then you're just going to trim those zipper tabs so they're even with the zipper tape. You can use scissors or a rotary cutter to do that. Again, you want your zipper tabs to be nice and even with the zipper tape, the long edge of your zipper. And you'll do that with the bottom zipper tab and with your top zipper tab. And then once you have that trimmed, this zipper is ready to be used. You can use it in your sewing project just like you would any other zipper that you were planning to use. But you see how it finishes the edges of these zippers and just gives it a nice finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to like it below, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please come visit me over on the Hooked on Sewing blog. Thank you.